What's going on, guys? All right, so I decided to take this time. I'm driving home from work, just got out of the gym, so pardon my messy appearance. It is what it is. We all got to put work in one way or another. But I thought I'd take a moment, and hopefully I'm not going to make this too long because it is hot and I don't have AC. But where have I been? What have I been up to? And, you know, what are the plans for 2019? Honestly, so a lot of people have asked me, and I say a lot, but maybe 3 or 4, have asked me, where's your videos at? I haven't seen any videos lately and stuff like that. And, you know, I gave them a simple answer. I have not felt like making any videos. Now let me explain why. So I was out of the country for a few months and I got home and it was winter and, you know, I wanted to just take a break, spend time with the family, enjoy just, you know, being home in my own house and stuff. And the cold weather coming from hot weather just rubbed me the wrong way. I did not want to go outside and work in a cold garage laying on a concrete floor. I had zero motivation. So I just kind of did some planning. I worked on some projects in the house, took care of some honey-do lists that my wife had together and everything like that for me, you know, because you go somewhere for a little bit of time, could be a day, could be a week, could be a month, could be a year. You're coming back with a list. You married people, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But I will tell you this, it's starting to warm up. My motivation is getting kicked into high gear. I'm seeing some drifting videos. There's drift events going on and everything. And, you know, I really want to get some stuff together. So, you know, there's a few things I'm going to be making some videos on. I'll just tell you, you know, got some work to do on the Integra, which I'm driving now. There'll be a video coming out shortly after this one about that. A little update, little rework on a few things, just some maintenance. My wife got a new car. Sadly, the Scion is gone. I don't know if a lot of you guys like the Scion or not. I really like the car, but, you know, I was pushing to get her in a 4-door for the longest time, and I finally made it happen. We found her a nice little car. And I'll show you what that is, a Nissan, so, you know, keeping it in the family. It's not a G35, which I wanted to get her, but I wanted something that didn't need premium gas because it just keeps it more cost-effective for her. But it's nice, and we've done a few things to it, and we got a few things we want to do to it still. So I'll be making a little update video on that. The G35, still have it. I love that car. Probably going to do a review on that car. I've had it for a good bit now, a couple years, put on, you know, 15,000 miles or whatever over the last couple years. So I might do a review video on that. Still got 240, the BMW, the RX-8, the truck. I picked up another 240, just a spare chassis. I'll probably share that when I do an overview update of all the cars. But yeah, I mean, this is just going to be kind of me talking, nothing too exciting. We're just driving home. Probably do a rip or two here in a minute when I get to some open road. But so the 1J S13 BMW box drift car, what's going on with it? So we made some really good progress. We were pushing really hard to try to get it done for a drift event. It didn't happen. So we're going to backstep a few things that I didn't do because I was trying to rush and get it done and take care of those and then keep moving forward. Here soon we'll be getting to it. I got to do wiring. I got to finish the coolant. I got to finish the intercooler piping. I want to pull the rear subframe back out, put my solid subframe mounts in because I didn't do that because I didn't have the time when I had it out last time. Run the hydro e-brake. Run the hydro e-brake. Yeah, I mean, there's just a laundry list of things to do for that car. But we're going to be getting to that here soon because it's warm. Drifting's, you know, already started, and I don't want to miss. I want to get it on track one time. I will be happy if I get it on track at least one time, get a full day of drifting, shake all down the problems, and get them worked out for 2020. I mean, it just is what it is. I'm just a busy person with so much stuff to do that, you know, I just don't have the time to focus. I mean, maybe I'll downsize, then I can focus on just one car, but that would be kind of, I don't know. I guess I would have to see. Do I want to drift more or have a diverse arsenal of vehicles to give me enjoyment? I don't know. But let's see. The RX-8, we're going to be pulling the engine out of that and then hopefully getting started on mounting up the 2J. Just want to get the engine out, get the engine in the engine bay, mocked up, try to see where the motor mounts are going to place it. So we got to strip the entire engine compartment of that car. The BMW, I'm trying to sell it. If you're local in Ohio or want a trailer down from anywhere, I mean, I'm just trying to get rid of it. It overheated a little bit, got a little hot, got like 220, and it usually never went over 210 drifting, so I turned it off, parked on a trailer. I moved it off the trailer, moved it around my house before I left, drained the water out of it for winter, and it just turns over and I can't get it to start. I don't know if the engine's actually bad or not, but I just can't get it to start yet. I only spent like an hour on it one day, haven't went back to it, but it is for sale because I picked up the other 240 spare chassis, so I don't really need the BMW. And if I could free up just a little bit of funds just to put into the 1J car, that would be a good thing. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna get, hopefully, I've been looking, trying to price out, looking at a new truck. I mean, we did like 2,000 miles towing and traveling in the truck last year with no AC. My wife is kind of irritated with it, and it's had a good life. It's got over 240,000. You know, shout out to the 6.0. That thing has been a brute. It is towed, it is driven, it's done winters. It's just never let me down. So, and it honestly, it still runs and drives just fine. It's just, it's the niceties, you know, like the exhaust manifolds are leaking, the exhaust is crap, the steering's wearing out. There's kind of every once in a while a roaring noise in the front. I'm not sure if it's a wheel bearing or the diff. I don't know exactly, but it's about that time to upgrade. I really want to get a diesel, you know, potentially looking at, you know, towing further distances. The gas savings would be nice, and potential for growth, getting a bigger enclosed trailer or something along those lines. You know, that would be just, you know, what I want to do. So I'm trying to price that out. I'm trying to budget that out. We'll see how it goes. There's been a lot of changes for me, you know, a lot of changes in directions of a few things, but really we're just going to keep knocking stuff out. If there's anything you want to see or any videos you want me to make or anything like that, if there's something that you've seen in the last video you want an update on, or you want some more instruction on, you know, feel free to, you know, get a hold of me through, you know, any of my social media tags or anything like that. Comment on the video, even if it's an old video, I'll get back to it. I do check my comments. Maybe not the day you comment, but relatively quick. But, you know, be willing, you know, to make some videos, especially if you got a good idea and I can do it. That'd be awesome. But other than that, you know, I look forward to making some videos now that the weather is turning up and I can actually get work done, because I can't do the cold. And all you guys in the north that deal with the cold, shout out to you. You are the true MVPs, because, man, I am ruined. I cannot do the cold. You know, it's like, give me 100 degrees all day long and I'm good. Give me 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and I'm wrapped up in 5 blankets wondering where my soup and hot chocolate is. But either way, that's going to wrap this video up. Just a kind of probably long but short update of everything, letting you guys know I have not stopped. I will be making videos. I'm eager to start making videos. I just got to manage the time. I stack myself up way too busy that, you know, sometimes I just don't have the time to do everything, and getting the work done is more important than making a video at time, because usually I need the work to be done that day. But either way, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to future videos, especially, like I said, let me know if you got a video you really want to see or something. I'll try to make it. Let's do some rips. Man, this car just is so much fun. Woo! Gotta love that V20. Nice torque. 18 GB screaming. Wheel running, I think we're running about 10.8 pounds right now. So for all of you guys that are curious, I'm gonna do a time skip real quick, and we're gonna do, we'll do one more rip up here when I get to this stop. Thumbs up for the rips. Thumbs up for the rips. Try to get a little 1-2 going here. One's usually useless. Yep. Oh yeah. Always puts a smile on my face. Alright guys, that'll wrap this video. Check you guys later. CKN signing off. Peace.